selecting on the curtain wall. So I can go and select just like one by one by hitting the tab and adding to my selection, but this is really time consuming. So what I can do is hit the right mouse button and go with the select panels either along vertical grid or along horizontal grid, or I can select them on the whole host. The same thing I can do with the curtain wall mullions. I can hit my right mouse button, select mullions on grid line, or you can select it on inner mullions, border mullions, all of the host, and so on and so forth. So this is pretty cool, and it really speeds up the modeling process.